to another one that we can't go. So we're able to go through it, but it only allows 3 tons. We're not able to go through it because of the weight. Fun times had by all. Oh boy. Alright. Back to our regular scheduled program. New Jersey. Wow. It's a great view. We're crossing the Delaware River. Welcome to Pennsylvania, baby. We made it to our next Harvest Host. We are at a winery. That's not what I told you. Daddy forgot what side the door was on. So this looks a lot better than what it did look. But we completely bottomed out. Bent the frame. Grass was everywhere.
Stop telling people.
You still have grass. By the time we're done, we're not gonna have any more trailer. Keep hitting things. Our camera stopped working. We hit a couple things. These Jags enjoying this outdoorsness. Hi, Jaggies. I'm sorry. But there we are. This is what we're gonna say. So we are at Bishop's Winery. It's very beautiful. Jag's running. He's happy. I don't know where he's running to. Sun setting. Still a beautiful place to stay. Oh.
Hello again and welcome back to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA.
Well, today we are going to explore Valley Forge.
Yes. So we were a little excited. Something Fabian wanted to do. And if you didn't know, this is where George Washington stayed around with his troops during the Revolutionary War, during the winter of 1777 to 1778. And it actually is considered where the army was formed, because when they were stationed here, they were able to get all this. They started doing all the supplies and getting training that was needed to help defeat the British. So Valley Forge is apparently where the army was created.
Let's show you some views.
Valley Forge. The huts were when the soldiers lived during Washington's camp. This is a reproduction of it, though. Can't go in. walking the Mount Joy Trail. My lovely boots. We're never prepared. That came over. He is from Prussia, which is now Germany, and he spoke only French and German. He's one of the generals that trained George Washington's troops into really becoming what we know today as the American Army. Because of him, we had an army.
Today I'm gonna put up the Pennsylvania sticker.
Woo!
Hope you enjoyed our little stay at Pennsylvania. But we're gonna mark it off the map and claim we have been there. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye. Hello, it's 2:30 in the morning, and we're sorry we're gonna have to leave you right here in the middle of nowhere. But we received a very important phone call, and we had to pack up and leave our location in Delaware as soon as possible.
Ran out of gas.
Catch us next time on Season 2 in Proceeding Onward in America. Bye.